The Craftsman's finished, we'll start working on this thing. What I've come to notice is this is a rubber tire and this is plastic. Missing the rubber piece and rubber. So I may take this rubber piece off and put it back here and put a regular plastic tire up front. Start working on taking parts off. Gonna take the pull string off and restring it. Then I'm going to pull the carburetor off, and then I will pull off the brake cables and see if we can get it running, and then check and see if the transmission works. If the transmission does not work, I will remove it. I will also remove this plastic cover and repaint it red. There's probably a better way at going at this, but I'm not having any luck of getting this carburetor off, so I'm pulling this assembly. I think this is some kind of fuel pump maybe, and if so, it's a little sticky, so I might as well pull that off and clean it too. I tried pulling this out and I ended up bending it, so I'm just going to take the assembly off and see what I can do with that. Besides, I need to pull all these cables off anyway because they're no good. But the hose for I guess the compression maybe, I don't know what you would call it, but that's ruined. The fuel line's ruined. This may be a money pit right here, and somebody cut the kill wire. They did a number on this thing. A ton of cables just broke to hell. Where do they go? Nobody knows. I got the carburetor soaking in acetone. I've been told that works. Whether it does or not. It's not actually gummed up really. It looks pretty good. It's got a lot of rust in the bowl. I pulled this apart and cleaned it. Looks like some kind of fuel pump or manual fuel pump. It's pretty cool. Shit, maybe I didn't put it back together right because now it won't move. But anyway, springs control it. And when you push on it, oh yeah, it moves, okay. It pulls it out to let more fuel in, and I guess it works as like a manual fuel pump. It's pretty cool. So there's no priming at all to this engine or not. You just pull the string and it goes. It's a new day, and before I go any further with this build, or rebuild, a shaft-driven rear end on a push mower. That is cool.